Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to deposit money to your Vantage account. So right now, first of all, we need to set up our account. So you need to verify your account and you need to create a trading account. So we are having here a trading account. So that is fine. And then from now, what we want to do is we want to put money to our assets estimate. So we click right here on deposit. Now we can also click here in the top on deposit and then right now select the account where you want to put money on. Then right here select a amount of 100 euros and keep in mind if you don't verify your account, your limit is 100 euros. Let's say 1693. Yeah, it's 7 euros less. They're telling us to verify our account to deposit more, so keep that in mind. And it's also necessary to deposit from a EU bank. Then fill in the amount and then right here you can add vouchers. Now we don't have vouchers. Then we click right now on continue. And then right here you have a lot of options how you can put money to your account. But if you want to put euros to your account, then it's necessary to verify your account. So here it's saying Netherlands local transfer or a credit card, or let's do right here EU bank transfer. It's not possible because if we click on this, we need to verify our account and that means our personal details and verify your identity. So that is what you need to do to put money from your EU bank to Vantage. Then after that, you need to select that bank. And once you did that, he will show you exactly the next steps, what you need to do to put money to your account. Now you can also put crypto or USDT Tether to your account, what you want. So if you select that and you continue, then from now you can fill in the next details or scan this address to throw money to this account. But from here, you have a lot of ways how you can deposit money to your account. So please, try the way that you want. This is how you can deposit money to your Vantage account. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.